Good morning friends. Welcome to the eSpectrum Online Learning channel. Today we will discuss the linear programming exercise 7.1 part. We are supposed to graphically solve the equation 2x plus y greater than is equal to 2 and x minus y less than is equal to 0. So for doing this, I should consider my two equations as 2x plus y is equal to 2 and x minus y is equal to 0. So for this to be taken into consideration, I should find out now the points to draw the lines. So for finding out, this is my first line, line 1. Put x is equal to 0 in this equation. I will get y is equal to 2. So when I get y is equal to 2, the coordinates of the first point that I get is 0 and 2. For the second time, I put y is equal to 0 in this equation. So if I put y is equal to 0, x I obtain is equal to 1. So I got two coordinates as my 0, 2 and 1, 0 as my two coordinates. Now I should check whether I should consider the origin side or non-origin side. So for this, the condition that I should check is put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in the inequality, that is first equation. So 0 plus 0 greater than 2. So 0 greater than 2, the condition is not satisfied. Hence I am considering the non-origin side. Now go for the second line. The second line equation that we have is x minus y is equal to 0. So if I put x is equal to 0, y also I get is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Now two points that I got, that is 0, 0 and 1, 1. So this is the line passing through the origin. The solution, the region for this same line is the origin side. Okay, I will be checking the condition as we have done it for the first line. So I get it as origin side. So if you draw the first line and the second line, for the first line it is non-origin side and for the second side line it is origin side. Now these two are intersecting. What is the intersecting area for these two? It is indicated here. So this is the area where my two regions are overlapping. So this is area, that is we call it as solution for the given line. It is the overlapping region. Consider the second problem. I have two equations of the lines as x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 8. So these are the two equations of the lines that we get from our problem, that is x minus y less than is equal to 2 and x plus 2y less than is equal to 8. Consider now the first line again. Come to the table. This is my first line. I should find out the coordinates for this. So first I put x is equal to 0 in the equation. So if I put x is equal to 0, y I get is equal to minus 2. Similarly, for the second time, if I put y is equal to 0, so y is equal to 0 here means x is equal to 2 that I get. So x is equal to 2. So the two coordinates that I got are 0 minus 2 and 2, 0. Now I should decide whether it is origin side or non-origin side. The condition that I should check is I should substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in the inequality. So the condition is 0 less than 2. Yes, the condition is satisfied. So if the condition is satisfied, we know I should consider the origin side. Go for the second line now. In case of second line, I put initially x is equal to 0. So if I put x is equal to 0, 2y is equal to 8, hence y comes out to be equal to 4. For the second time, put y is equal to 0. So if I put y is equal to 0, straight away I am observing x is equal to 8. So I get two coordinates 0, 4 and 8, 0. Now whether it is origin side or non-origin side, for checking it, I should put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in the second. 0 plus 2 into y, that is 0, less than is equal to 8. So I get 0 less than is equal to 8. 0 is less than 8, so the condition is satisfied. So for this case also, you get it as the origin side. So let us draw these two lines. This is my first line, origin side. Second line, it is also origin side. Now what is the solution? Solution, if I want to observe, this is the area where my two regions are overlapping. So my solution will be the intersecting regions, that is common region between my two lines. So this is the solution, overlapped area. Third problem, I have the equations which are given to me as x plus y is greater than is equal to 6 and x plus 2y less than is equal to 10. So consider the lines as equality. X plus y is equal to 6 and x plus 2y is equal to 10. So solving the equation for determining the 2 points, put x is equal to 0 in the first line. This is my first line. Put x is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 0, I get y is equal to, when I put y is equal to 0, I get x is equal to 6. So two coordinates that you obtained, 0, 6, 6, 0. Now whether it is origin side or non-origin side, so we will check the condition. So for the first line, if I put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, what I get is 0 plus 0 less than is equal to 6. So 0 is less than 6. Condition is not satisfied. So I am considering here the region to be non-origin side for the first line. Now come to the second line. For the second line, I should find the 2 points. So put x is equal to 0. So if I put x is equal to 0, 2y is equal to 10. So y I come take out to be 5. For the second time, when I put y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 means x is equal to 10. So two coordinates that I obtained. So for the second line, if I want to check the condition, again the condition is same. Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in inequality. The equation that you have is 2 plus 2 into 0 less than is equal to 10. So what you get is 0 less than 10. Again here 0 is less than 10. Condition is satisfied. So condition is satisfied. So I am considering here the origin side as my set. Draw the two lines. First line non-origin side, second line origin side. So the intersecting area between the two lines is indicated by the pink region. That is my solution for this problem. Fourth problem that we have, that is 2x plus 3y less than is equal to 6 and x plus 4y greater than is equal to 4. So consider the two equations of the lines as equality. This is my first equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So if I put x is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0 means 3y is equal to 6, y I get is equal to 2. Similarly, put y is equal to 0 here, 3x is equal to 6, so y will be equal to, x will be equal to 3. So you got the 2 points 0, 2 and 3, 0. I have to check the condition now whether it is origin side or non-origin side. So in the first equation, inequality, put x is equal to 0. So 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 less than equal to 6. So 0 less than 6. Condition is satisfied. So I am taking here origin side. Come to the second line now. For the second line, I should find out the coordinates. So x is equal to 0 if I put, y comes out to be 1. If I put y is equal to 0, x comes out to be equal to 4. So these are the 2 points. Check the condition for selection of the region, origin or non-origin. So it will be 0 plus 4 into 0 greater than 4. So 0 greater than 4. Condition is not satisfied. In the first case it was satisfied. Second case not satisfied. So I am taking here non-origin side as my solution for the second line. Draw the lines. This is my first line, origin side, second line, non-origin side, and the intersection of the two lines is nothing but my solution. So only the region that I get as an intersection is this region. Fifth, I have 2x plus y greater than 5 and x minus y less than 1. So this is my first line. Consider the equalities for solution. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus y is equal to 5. Put x is equal to 0. So if I put x is equal to 0, I get directly y is equal to 5. Now when I put y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 if I put, I get 5 by 2. X as 5 by 2. So these are the 2 points. Check for the selection of the region whether it is origin or non-origin. So 2 into x, I should put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. 2 into 0 plus 0 greater than is equal to 5. So 0 is greater than 5. Condition not satisfied. So I should consider the non-origin side. Go for the second line. You have, if I put x is equal to 0, when x is 0, y I get is minus. Y is equal to 0. I get x is equal to 1. So these are the two coordinates on the line. Check for the inequality condition. So 0 minus 0. Substitute x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in the inequality. So it is less than is equal to 1. So 0 is less than 1. Condition is satisfied. So here I am getting the origin side as the solution set for the second line. Draw lines and check. This is my first line, non-origin side. Second line, it is origin side. Only the overlapping area that you get is this. Only the overlapping area that you get is this region. So this is my solution for the given two pair of inequalities. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon for the further notifications.